Welcome to the Capital Compass. I'm Lindsay Melchek. NurExone Biologic has been making significant strides in the field of exosome-based therapies. And just last month, the company announced the acquisition of a U.S. master cell bank, followed by the formation of ExoStop Inc. Now, here to converse about all of these topics and so much more is NurExone Biologic CEO Dr. Lior Shaltiel. So,
Hi,
welcome into studio.
physically here.
Right? So let's actually just get into the swing of things then, okay? So NurExone has been making some significant waves in the biotech as well as the, what is it? The
Exotop.
yes, the
Correct.
regenerative medicine sector. So walk us through actually first a little bit about the company and also the innovative therapies that you're developing to work with central nervous system.
Regeneration.
Yeah, absolutely. Tell us
Yeah.
about that.
So we are a company that focus on CNS, central nerve system, regeneration. How we do it? We do it with exosomes. Exosomes are tiny vesicles secreted from cells. It's the ultimate drug delivery system, from our opinion. We are using it as a drug delivery system with our special siRNA in order to promote a regeneration of neurons. How we do it, in which setting? We start in a spinal cord injury. In 2024, we show also efficacy in optic nerve damage, like in glaucoma. So it's already the second indication. And the mechanism is quite clear. We want to reduce a certain protein called p10, and this promote axon growth and then reconnectivity of the nerves and functional recovery.
Oh my gosh, it sounds so innovative already. Now, you mentioned in January you secured a U.S. master cell bank, and then in February you actually announced the formation of ExoTop. So break down the strategic rationale behind that move and how it positions the company for future growth.
It's excellent point. So we are going very fast with the news, and this story will continue to be really revealed with the time. So step by step, we first of all secure the master cell bank because we need the cell source. How we produce exosomes? We produce exosomes from cells. We want the best cells that we can have, and this is a fully characterized GMP bone marrow master cell bank from human, and we use it for our exosome. And those cells secrete exosomes. We collect the exosomes and then modify them, have a loading of our siRNA. So we secure the best cell source for us. As I said, it's fully characterized. It can have all the regulatory checks that we need in order to submit it for our IND soon. And so this is the master cell bank. I will give you analog. We need a glass of milk, but the master cell bank is so huge, it's like the cow shed.
Oh, yeah.
And for that, you can produce revenue. And in order to do that, we establish a U.S. subsidiary just recently in our press release. And this subsidiary will be responsible to produce cells and exosomes in order, first of all, for our consumption, and second, for third party as a B2B business.
You know, there's so much going on. It's hard to even keep up because the momentum is just there and it's very exciting. So on top of this progress, NurExone has been named as part of the TSX Venture Top 50 of 2025. So, I mean, that is a notable achievement on top of everything else. So congratulations to that. Now, tell me about the key milestones and the performance metrics that you believe got you that recognition, and how does it position the company right now?
It's a huge achievement, especially because we are young. We are just less than 3 years in the market. This we achieved after 2 years. It's based on data that the TMX had in 2024. So it was amazing years for us. The market cap growth more than 100%. Liquidity went up. So I'm very happy with that. It's not a magic. It's a lot of hard work. And behind this hard work, those are the team of NurExone, the research team, the financial team, the directors that lead us to this achievement. We are a young company, fully dedicated for the story, and there is a huge motivation to succeed in Canada, and as we said in the press release, also in the US soon.
Oh, it sounds very exciting for sure. And it's really actually all about building the community. And your team is doing just that. You're building that internal community and then taking it outwards. So, right. Congratulations on that. Now, with all of these developments, how do you see NurExone's competitive evolving position in the exosome supply market?
So this returns us to the other question that you asked. When you have a good source of cells and you have sufficient cells that are regulatory ticked all the box and FDA is content from that, you can supply the demand of exosomes in the world scale, not only for NurExone demand for research and development, and then in future for the drug, it's also for other indications or other territories, for example, in cosmetics, in other industry that maybe are less under a full regulation. And NurExone can be a key point for this market.
So, is those the things that differentiate you from all the other people in the market, or are there even more things that you're working on for that?
So we are, first of all, pharmaceutical company.
Yes.
We are going to the IND, we are going to a clinical state company. Second, because we have the source of cells, our mission is to supply the demand of exosomes in different fields in the higher standards.
Okay.
Okay? But I want to be focused. My focus is, first of all, my drug. And that's what we do.
Well, I mean, all of these are some major catalysts that have happened already. And, congratulations to all that. What should investors be looking at in the coming quarters then?
Continue follow up our news.
Yeah.
You can do it in a public arena like Stockhouse, like in our social media activity. Our next press release, as I said, the story of Exotop going to be revealed step by step. And this will give the investors a more clear pathway where we go. Our press release stopped that our last press release talked about our intention to go to the US market. This is of course will be part of our aim in 2025. So there is a lot of milestone on the way. So it would be a very interesting year for us.
Well, let's just keep that momentum going. And I can't wait to have you back, even in studio, to give us more insights. So thank you.
Vancouver and beautiful.
It is. It's gorgeous here. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Again, that was Dr. Lior Shaltiel, CEO of NurExone Biologic. You can find them on the venture under the ticker symbol NRX, and their website is nurexone.com for more information. I'm Lindsay Malchuk. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.